Hey, to turn on or off the screensaver on the Nothing Phone 2a, you have to simply go into the settings. From this, just scroll down and move into the display. Now scroll down one more time and you have to go into the screensaver option. So now we can quickly turn it on by tapping just right here. And when you select one of the following presets like the colors, clock or the photos, you can actually click on the preview and just take a look how it works. So as you can see, that's how the screensaver looks on the Nothing Phone 2a, the first theme. You can also get some colors. There we go. And you can also add some photos. So you can click customize, and from your gallery, you can actually input stuff from your camera or the screenshots. And after this, when you click on the preview, it will be visible just right here. So that's a cool option. From here, you can also pick when to start, for example, while charging or when docked and charging. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.